Type TESDA BSRS. Click the first TESDA BSRS. Then log in your email address and password. Hit verify button. Want to save your account? Click save. Then that is your dashboard. Scroll down. The third icon, click it. Enroll to our program. Select all institution. Then type your desired school, Davao Oriental Polytechnic Institute, Lopon Campus. After that, hit filter. Scroll down, you see the desired program available in this institution. Tap on the plus icon and then tap on the pen icon. Scroll down, register now, and then fill out the following information. Proceed to enrollment. As you see, you have successfully enrolled to a program. Scroll down, wait for approval, and then log out your account.